Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. I am Nancy for those who are new here. Today, we're going to dive into the world of soft and yummy Chaptis, a delicious and versatile flatbread that's perfect for any meal. So let's get started. Chaptis, also known as Chapatis, are a staple in Indian and East African cuisine and are often served alongside curries, dals, and other delicious dishes. They're made with simple ingredients like flour, salt, butter, carrots, ginger, onions, and oil. Let's break down the recipe step by step. First, we'll need to prepare the dough. Mix together 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of butter. Peel the carrots and onions and cube them for easy blending. Prepare the dry ingredients in a bowl and bring in your blended ingredients and knead the dough until it's soft and pliable. Then pick out a small portion of the dough and roll each part into a ball and flatten it slightly. Next, let's assemble the Chaptis. Take one of the flattened dough balls and place. Roll the dough into a thin, round shape. Repeat this process with the remaining dough balls. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and cook the Chaptis over medium heat for about 2 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Serve these soft and yummy Chaptis with your favorite curry or dal, and enjoy. That's it for today's recipe, folks. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make these delicious Chaptis. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.